Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment. Sorry about the quality of the video for today. I have to film this on my phone because my cameraman's not with me. I had to take public transport to get down here. So I'm just showing you a bit of what's going on at my allotment. This is my sweet potatoes. Got some in buckets here. They're starting to run now. These are all my sweet potatoes. This down there is my courgettes, my beetroots, my okra yam, my lettuce is what I'm just harvesting now. Got some of that spinach still surviving, I've got to put that in. I've got my Scotch bonnets up here on the shelf. They're not looking too healthy, I don't know, I have to keep an eye on those. My carrots down here. My sweet potato sack here. So got that one growing and it's nicely running. Up here I've got my some fennel, some what is it, the Rashido cauliflowers I think it is, some radishes, my wonderberry, some of my onions still down there. Got some pumpkins on the shelf. I only seen 3 come out, so I don't know if I'm going to have a lot of pumpkins this year. This is a couple of my marigolds that decided to come out. My carrots, I don't know what's wrong with those. I don't know if there's too many in a bucket. Tomato over the back doing well. This is my spring onions here. 3 trays of those. Another plant there. Some of these things I can't remember what they are, so I just have to show you the pictures of them. This is my peanut plants. Gonna put those in buckets. Some more chili peppers along here. Another bucket of sweet potatoes there. Got some lima beans here to go in. Some cauliflowers what I want to put in. These are my exhibition onions. They're looking alright, so I know they're alright. Another bucket of sweet potatoes there, they're starting to run nice. What else do I need to show you? This is my lychee there. Got these, I showed you the courgettes I think. And then just the things that I've generally got to put in. So that's what's going on in the polytunnel. Got my bucket of ginger there that hasn't come through yet. But my sweet potatoes are running very nice, at least. So that's, at least those are on the way. My onions outside, they're doing pretty nicely. Got some roses at the back there. Come around here. These are my pink fir potatoes in here. So I've only done 2 rows of those outside, so can't take the dig in. And my garlics are coming on nice. The rain that we had yesterday, you can see my corn really took a pounding yesterday, so I don't think any of those are going to come to. But I've got the seeds and that in, so hopefully those will come. And then the French beans, they took a pounding, but some of them might survive still. But I've got some in here. Right. Got my broccolis, they're doing quite nicely, and cabbages, some chard in here. If you see the fuzziness on the lens, it's because I got the netting over them. And these are my chard from last year still in. So everything's coming along nicely. I don't know if I can get over to the back because this grass is just getting out of hand now. I've got to come down and trim that. This is my fig tree. So it's got some nice figs on there already. So that's what's going down at the allotment. I just filmed this on my phone. Just a quick video of the plot. You see the grass is just, from when I trimmed it, the grass now is just getting totally out of hand. In some places you can't even see the beds. So that's what's going on. I'll go up the top here and show you these are my lilies. They're starting to come. I want to put some more in there. Then my daffodils, they're just finishing off now. Can see along the side of the polytunnel how high the grass is. Just totally ridiculous now. Up here, my herb box, can see the thyme is doing quite well. The rosemary is yellowing up, I don't know why. And then oregano is doing quite well. And then my potatoes are here. Try and get up a bit. See, I'm gonna have to get in there next time I come down and see what's going on. I think a lot of these things here down here need some fertilizer in them and sorting out. But I'll get to it because these were flowering at one stage. So gotta just get in there and sort everything out, and then we're good to go. So that's what's going down at the plot. Do this on my phone. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. We don't just leave questions. We answer every single question what we get. We read and see if there's anything to answer back and get back to you. So let's back up to the polytunnel. Just show you a quick run through. Because I haven't got the car, I can't get down to do what I want to do. I have to rely on my daughter at the moment, and then she's not so well herself. I'm just getting back to normal. See the temperature up there, it's 21 and 12 outside. So the polytunnel's holding its own and keeping everything nice and going. So the sweet potatoes mainly are the things that I was worried about if they catch a cold, but they're doing all right. I've lost a few. I think it's due to the ants, but I brought some cinnamon powder down, which I'm going to be sprinkling around in a minute. So Hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. I know it's short and it's not as clear as our other videos. This is but you know, we just have to persevere and get on with things. So I'll see you all on the next one where we hopefully it will be much better.